Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. Today in this video, it was a t-shirt that I had. I did make a post on it sometime last year, but I decided to go ahead, since spring is coming about, going ahead and upcycling the shirt to where it's more weather appropriate and a little bit trendy. So what I decided to do was do a little fringe. The first thing that I did was I took the sleeves off. I just took my seam ripper and just undid the threads. I'm thinking about using the sleeves for something. I just don't know what. Maybe a choker to go with it. We'll see. Yeah, my little office is a mess. I work there in my office. I work in my office full time, and it's also where I sew, where I create. So what are you gonna do? So right here on this part, I'm gonna start cutting slits into the fabric. Yeah, I'm doing this on a container, and I'm just showing everyone how easy you can upcycle something and how quick, and just do it wherever you're at. You don't need a lot of things, just do what you do. And Stinky had to make an appearance via the hand. He loves his little bites. Those are actually pretty good. But anyway, so I'm just cutting slits into the shirt. I was going to do it like an arrow, like downwards. So in the center, never mind, I'm not even gonna try to explain it. I'll just let y'all see for yourselves. But you'll see what I'm talking about once I start cutting more of the slits into the shirt. I'll also demonstrate it as well, the angle that I'm going for. I definitely will start doing a little bit more upcycling content. I haven't quite picked out a niche for my channel yet. It's more so me just doing me and sharing it. Like I said in a previous video, a lot of things are starting to come to me randomly, and I just want to record it and upload it. And one of the things that I was discussing in the last video was just doing it. Instead of waiting until the perfect time till you have everything, just go ahead and do it, because I had a lot of cute outfits, pieces that unfortunately, when I tried them on recently, and I've had these pieces for years, and I've stated that before, but I couldn't even fit them joints anymore. Couldn't even get them over my thighs, and I couldn't even believe that. So the cute pieces, I did see if my daughter wanted them, my oldest daughter, and she did say that she did, so I gave them to her. But it was 2 skirts. I really wanted to wear those skirts and never got the opportunity to. So don't wait until a perfect date or a perfect time to wear something. If you have something nice, find a reason to wear it. I know my mom has told me that before. Just do it. Just wear it out. Don't wait. Wear it out before it's too late. So anyway, as y'all could see, I am creating like the little fringe. I'm putting knots at the end of the fringe, and of course once I wash it, I believe the strips are going to like kind of curl inwards, so they'll be a little bit thinner. But that's all I was doing. I like fringe things, so I decided maybe this would be a cute idea for it. It has to be mommy appropriate, so I don't want to show too much. Look at the arms, y'all. I've been taking boxing, strengthening, and conditioning classes. Your girl been working out. So stay tuned for that too. The transformation is real. But that's how this shirt looks. I hope y'all like it. You see how it's like at an angle in the front, and then it kind of goes upwards, and then the back, I don't know. know, it just did what it did in the back, and I'm okay with that. Nothing, I don't need nothing special for it. I'm gonna leave where I cut the sleeves off. I'm gonna leave those the way they are. I like it that way. I don't think nothing needs to be done to it. I may use the sleeves that I took off the shirt to create possibly a choker or something. I'm not sure, maybe like some earrings or something. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas of what I could do with the leftover fabric, let me know. Put it down in the comments below. And also tell me what you think. Bye.
Girl, bye.